All right, it's been 10 minutes, and as hopefully you can plainly see, the vinegar has diffused into each of the agar cubes to a particular depth, and there still is a region inside in the middle where the vinegar hasn't diffused yet. So we're interested in both the depth of penetration of diffusion of the vinegar. We're also interested in the volume that is still unaffected by the vinegar, especially as it relates to the overall volume of the cube. So hopefully you've been able to, or you will be shortly, calculating the volumes of the cubes, the 3x3x3, 2x2x2, and 1x1x1. So you have a total volume to start with. And then we're going to take a couple measurements, one being the depth to which the vinegar has diffused, the other two being the X and Y axis of the volume that's not yet been converted or not yet changed color. So how much pink is left inside each of the cubes. Let's go ahead and pour off the vinegar. Now, since the data sheet starts with cube number 1, which is the 1x1x1, we'll go ahead and start there as well. So again, these are approximately 1x1x1. We're going to cut down through the middle. And the first measurement we're interested in is the depth to which it has penetrated. So there's that measurement. So record your best estimate of that measurement. Next, we're looking at the X and Y axis of this cut surface, at least the part that's still pink. So there's the X value. Here's the Y value. And the Z value, that is the vertical component, I'd like you to take the average of those two numbers. So X plus Y divided by 2 will give you Z, and then multiply X, Y, Z to get the volume of the cube that's still pink. Next is the 2 centimeter cube. First measurement: how deeply did the vinegar penetrate? So we're measuring this clear area right here. Secondly, the X value for the pink section. The Y value. Take the average of those two numbers to find the Z value, and then calculate the volume of the cube that's still pink. Lastly, the 3 centimeter cube. Depth of penetration or diffusion. X value of the pink section. Y value of the pink section. Add the two of those together, divide by 2, use that as a Z value, and then multiply X by Y by Z to find the volume of the 3 centimeter cube that is still pink. Hopefully you'll be able to work through these with the data that I provided. If you have any questions, make sure to email me, or if we're doing this live in class, or live, if we're doing this in Zoom in class, you can ask me then. Otherwise, signing off.